よし、こんにちは。じゃあ今日はですね、日本語じゃなくて英語、だけで話しましょう。それはなぜかというと、今日は僕の、最近ずっとプランしてたフルスタック IT 講座について、ちょっと英語で話したいんですけどね。ということで、早速始めましょう。So, this video is going to be in English and a little bit in Hindi, maybe. Because this is a Q&A about bilingual full stack IT course of mine, which I have recently launched and started. So on LinkedIn, most of the time on YouTube, I get questions like, what is this course about, and I am a beginner, so can I take it? So such questions basically I usually get on LinkedIn, and I'm being asked very often. So I would like to answer those questions in brief in this video. So next time, whenever anybody will be asking such questions to me, so I can refer them to this video, so they can manage their time and they can watch it in repeat, or they can understand it better, or they can understand my course in a better way, basically. So this is going to be a question answer session, basically. Okay. So hajimashou. Hey Chinmay, I was thinking to take your IT course, and I saw your post on LinkedIn. So could you please tell me introduction or a few things about your course so I can know about it. So it will help me a lot to take a decision that I want to take it or not, or it is for me or not. I am a Japanese bilingual, so I know the Japanese language, and my certification level is N3, and I can speak basically Japanese well. I don't know business Japanese, but I know N4, N5, N3 level and communication and some of technical vocabularies. And currently I am working in a non-IT company, but I want to switch to a IT company. So that's why I was planning to take this course. So I have some questions for you. So if you can answer those questions to me, it will be helpful. So my first question is, what is this course about? I mean, what is this course basically? Hey, hi. Okay, so let's talk about your questions one by one. So I would like to answer them, and I will try my best to make you understand that what is this course all about. Okay. So your first question was what is this course about? So this is going to be a full stack IT course, and full stack mean basically when you know how to build an app completely from zero to end. Completely mean you know how to design it and how to plan it, how to develop it in terms of technology. And full stack mean basically you know front end and back end both. So both the things you can do by yourself, because in industry or in IT industry we have teams. So mainly we have front end team and the back end team, but in this course we'll be talking about both back end and front end. So this is going to be a course for very beginner. If you don't know programming at all, you can join this course in order to learn mobile application development or web application development, which is considered to be a full stack development process basically. My second question is, I'm a completely beginner in IT and I have never done programming at all. So is this for me, or should I take this course, or can I take this course? Yeah, of course. I designed this course with that perspective only, because I understand that being in India, when we learn Japanese, we are not from an IT background. Most probably this is the case. So because this is a bilingual full stack IT course, so I thought to plan it in a way that it can help a lot. Yeah, especially for the people who is not from IT background basically. So this is going to be a completely beginner friendly course, and I will teach you each and every single thing you need to know to become a full stack developer, mobile application developer, or web application developer. My third question is basically, you use two words quite few times, and the word is front end and the back end. So could you please tell me what is the front end and back end? And please tell me in a very easy way, because as I said that I'm not an IT person, so it might be difficult for me to understand. So could you please tell me that? I use two words quite few times, which is front end and the back end, and full stack also. Okay, so front end is basically it is a UI design. UI mean user interface design. So whatever you see on your app, whether you are using LinkedIn or YouTube or WhatsApp, so whatever you can see on the screen, basically it could be a button, it could be an image, it could be an input field, or it could be scroll bar. So whatever you can see on the screen, that is front end. Front end means the front end, like which is in the front of your eye, which you can see properly. So front end is something which you can see on the screen while using an app, and back end is something which you cannot see because that is back end, behind the scenes story. So simple, the front end means UI design like a box, an image and a video and scroll bar, button, or a slider which you use to increase the volume and decrease the volume. You use a play pause button in a media player, or on LinkedIn you use a button like send message button or notification button. So they all are UI. So you build them using programming. So you write code and you build each and everything, and that we say front end. Backend mean backend is something which is a server basically. So server connected to a database. Every single application which you use, like right now, like LinkedIn or YouTube or Make My Trip or Airbnb, Facebook, Netflix, they have a backend. And why they have a backend? They have backend because backend we need to connect to have a database connectivity. And why do we need to have a database connectivity? Because we want our application to behave like dynamic application. Because you want to save something, you want to send a message to somebody, that message should be saved somewhere basically. Otherwise you won't be able to see it. So backend gives a functionality to your application which makes it to work the way we want it to work. Like if like for an example, if there is no backend in your application, then your LinkedIn app, for example, you won't be able to send any message to anybody, you won't be able to comment, you won't be able to like, you won't be able to see your notification, you won't be able to upload your profile picture, you won't be able to upload your profile, you won't be able to edit it. So every single thing first you need to type on your PC, and then you want to save it. So to save it, you have to have a backend. And any other thing basically, if you want to ask here, I can answer. I think I almost understood every single thing you answered in this video. So I don't think there is anything left to ask, but now I think I can make my decision really better. And now I know like should I take this course or not. So yeah, thank you so much for answering my questions, Chinmay. Yeah, but one thing I would like to ask that like, will you like provide any kind of projects, or will you help us to make some real-time projects so we can write them in our resume when we're appearing for a job? So like if yes, then that will like quite help us. Like that will like quite helpful basically for us, because we are a non-experienced person in IT. So if you will give some projects to us, then we can show those projects at the time of the interview. So like we can say that we have some hands-on experience with full stack development or front and back end, basically whatever it is. So will you? Oh yeah, yes, sure, of course. Basically, I'll be helping you with many projects, because I have designed this course specifically in multiple projects. So there will be multiple modules. I'll be teaching you to make, like e-commerce module or a rating module. So there will be a lot of things or a lot of projects. So this course is completely a project-based course. So a project-based learning will be there, because I personally believe that project-based learning is the best way to learn any kind of technology, because you build something and you learn it, or you learn it and then you build something. So this loop basically give you a very practical hands-on experience. So I'll be giving you 3 kind of projects, 2 minor and 1 is major, and you can mention those projects in your resume, and then you can show at least 1 year of experience with those projects. So basically I have designed these projects in a way that after this course you will be able to apply for a job which is asking a 1 year of experience, like 1 year of practical experience in the full stack development. So like up to that kind of projects basically I'll be giving you with this course. So yeah. Hey everyone, so this was a small Q&A session about my full stack IT course. So I think now it will help you a lot to make a decision whether you want to take this course or not, or whether you want to take this course now or not basically. So yeah, thank you for watching. 今日は見てくれてありがとう。じゃあ次の動画をずっと日本語だけで話しましょう。今日は漫画全然日本語が話さなくてごめんね。じゃあまた会いましょう。バイバイ。